My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are going to unbox the Allure beauty box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with the Allure beauty box, it is $15 per month, and you get wonderful products to try out. Allure knows the beauty game and is well known for it. Okay, there are codes down below which allow you the opportunity to get a fantastic sign-up bonus or welcome back bonus, of which you will love, because guess what? I got one in this box, so I can show you just what it is. Now, this is the first thing that comes out of the box when we open it up, and it says 2020 Vision. So I'm gathering this is the January box. And let's see what is inside. Alrighty. So when we open up the box, of course, the tissue paper is there. And the first item, I'm going to go based on the booklet. So the first item that's here is by the company Tarte. Now, this is a full-size product. Full size of what? It is the Lights Camera Lashes. Okay, and our pamphlet says that it's no wacky wand and no clumping. This is one that perfectly fits any needs while adding a nice dose of volume. 2 coats in, just couldn't look away. Why? Because the lashes looked as if they were falsies. Okay, now this is what the claim looks like here. How about that? And it says this is a 4-in-1 mascara. It says if there's no crying in your immediate future, unscrew the wand, pull out and apply for fluttery drama. Okay, now y'all know I do not open mascara until I am ready to use it. I just want to show you the packaging of the mascara itself. Look at this. Now, I already know a lot of women are going to say it looks like a tampon package. Okay. All right, let's hope the functionality of the mascara will overshadow the look of the packaging. Okay, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $23, and it can be purchased at tartecosmetics.com, and we have a 15% off coupon code for those who subscribe to the Allure beauty box. Okay, now the second item that we have, this product is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. That's what they call it. Okay, the description of this product, as written by Gian Forbes, the digital hair editor at Allure, she says this cultish exfoliator arrived on her radar about 3 years ago when she stumbled on a YouTube video about it. Just a few days later, she said she found one in the office and have been a fan of it ever since. It says the grainy paste works as a mask, a scrub, and appeal, all at the same time. In addition to superfine granules to slough away dead skin, it contains lactic acid, which acts as a chemical exfoliant. All right, now it's okay. This stuff must be flipping amazing. It says the price is $75 for 1.7 ounces, and you can purchase it at Sephora.com. Well, let's see what the pack is. Just a tube. It's just in a tube, okay? Now, I'm sure this would have been fantastic if it were included in my last well, actually, it's an ongoing giveaway. In my ongoing giveaway of sample products, but maybe the next one. So the next item that we have, and this description was written by Sarah. She's the Associate Digital Beauty Director. The product she chose is Renewed Hope in a Jar. And it's by the company Philosophy, and it is an actual water cream. She says never has she ever been so confused when opening a skincare product. You see, this moisturizer, upon first glance, looked more or less like blueberry sorbet. Really? Let's take a look. Do I really want to open this just to see if it's blue? Because if that's the case, I won't be able to give it away. Okay. It looks like blue sorbet. No, it's almost... It's pretty white. You can't really see. So, I don't know. Maybe it looks a little different once we shake it up or, you know, something like that. I don't know. But nonetheless... It says, she'll back up. After a sweaty... whatever. Okay, moving right along. She says she scooped out a dollop and patted it on her face. Immediately, it melted from a fluffy whip to a watery fluid. A few moments later, her skin was plumper, dewier, and more hydrated. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $39, and it can be purchased at Philosophy.com. And as an Allure Beauty Box subscriber, we have a coupon to get free shipping, plus a deluxe mini of your choice with any $39 purchase. Okay, moving right along. This is a product right here that I'm very, very anxious to try. The Allure Skin Pure Lip Restoration. Okay. And this description was written by Kathleen, and she is an assistant editor. She said she has her own her own personal weather girl. Her name is Eczema. And she tells it exactly what she can expect from the weather forecast. If humidity is low, she'll get itchy hands. Frigid temps, dry patches. Wind from the north, she'll know because her lips are so chapped it hurts to laugh. For her, a balm needs to be multi-purpose. She said she uses them constantly everywhere. Allure Skin Pure Lip Restoration is one of the few that has actually made it to her purse status because it's reliable and it soothes her cracked lips without feeling like a thick ointment. almond and castor seed oil are the main ingredients for hydration, while beeswax locks in moisture, and its light citrus smell comes from the orange peel oil packed with antioxidants. She dabs it on her rough patches all day, but always reach for it as a lip balm first thing in the morning. By the time she decides what lip color she's going to wear that day, it's fully absorbed, leaving a nice smooth base behind. Now, we did get a full size of that as well, and the price on this one is $30, and it can be purchased at acarskin.com. And as a subscriber of the Allure Beauty Box, we get 10% off our total order. Okay, yes, it does have a very nice soft orange smell as well as color. I have been so excited to try this product. I've heard a lot about it. I am very excited. I will let you know if this makes my favorites list. I will let you know. Then the next product that we have is VitaBird C12, and this is the dual drop serum. Okay, comes like this, and this one is written by Danielle, and she's the Associate Director of Social Media. And she says, all I want in my beauty life is glowing, dewy skin. So I keep 2 ingredients in heavy rotation: vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This serum conveniently has both. 2 weeks in, she's in love. Her skin is brighter, smoother, and thoroughly moisturized. But best of all, she's noticed a significant change in the texture of her skin. The vitamin C and peptides help promote new collagen, while the hyaluronic acid keeps moisture sealed in. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $62, and it can be purchased at vitabird.com, and a coupon code to get a full-size dual drop serum for the special price of $9.90. What? Okay, I'm going to try this out. I'm going to let y'all know how this works, because this will be a $63 product that we would get for $9.90. And this coupon is valid from now until March the 31st of this year. So I'm going to check it out and see. Oh, yes. Look at that. As a matter of fact, let's just try some right now. So I just put a small amount on. It absorbed very, very quickly. It has a very light, fresh smell. Okay. Now, I expected it to be, since it was supposedly oily, I expected that that's exactly what it would have felt like. But it is not at all. This is truly a serum that's soaked right in. It's completely dry and absorbed already. So, I'm definitely feeling that. I will let you know. She said 2 weeks. 2 weeks in. Okay, so I think I will try it. I will let you know when I will start and when 2 weeks will have come and gone, and we'll see what the difference in the texture of my skin is. Now, The next product that we have is Nature Lab Perfect Shine Oil Mist. And this one is written by Rosemary, and she's the digital wellness editor. Now, she said she went blonde last summer. Haha. Okay. And it made her hair drier than it's ever been. And while the bleach has mostly grown out, the shine never really came back. She was hoping for some magic from this serum, and its buzzy ingredient list: grape stem cells, hyaluronic acid. The first time around, she followed the directions: lightly mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine. That made her hair a little greasy though, so she decided to go off script. She spritzed the silicone oil formula into her hands and worked it into her hair from the ends up, stopping halfway to her roots. That did the trick. Mirror-like shine achieved. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $16, and it can be purchased at Amazon.com. Nice. And we have a coupon code to get 15% off. Here we go. Now, I already know this is not something that I will be opening up because y'all know I get curl box. So I have tons and tons of hair care products. So that I won't be doing. Now, this is the Caudalie Cleanser. Full size. And this is what I received because, as you know, I have a 3-month subscription and I have to renew every 3 months, and they count it as a new subscription each time I renew. So I am definitely excited about getting this. Now, I do need to let you know, as far as my skincare goes, I have something that it's my ride and live. It's my everyday usage, and one of these days when I do tell my story, you'll understand why. However, I do try different products, but after I do that, if I use this in the morning, my evening, I'm going back to my same routine. I must do that. I cannot afford my sensitive skin to go back to the state in which it was before. So you'll understand why. Oh, as the song goes by and by. How about that? Okay, so I will look up the price because, as I said, this is a full-size product. It's 5 fluid ounces. Okay, so I will let you know what the actual cost of this is. Now, enclosed in this package, I did receive 3 full-size products. Now, as I told you previously, this box is $15 per month. Boy, oh boy, did we far exceed that. Even if with nothing else other than the Tarte mascara. Okay? So I will definitely let you know. But I do want to say, if you decide to try out the Allure Beauty Box, use the coupon code in the description box below and get something nice for yourself as a bonus. This month, it is, I'm going to link a picture probably right up here so that you can see what the gift for this month is. And it's actually not gift, but gifts. Okay, well, I do hope that I have shared some valuable information with you. Now, regardless of the season that you are in, I would like to let you know you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.